Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hameedacademy2024. This is my video number 2 in which I am discussing about English grammar for 10th, 11th, 12th, undergraduate, degree students and for competitive exams. The topics which I will be covering in this video are: what are vowels, vowels in English language, and origin of the word vowel. Coming to the first topic, what are vowels? Vowels are the letters in English alphabets in which, while speaking, sound is made with mouth fairly open, with full flow of air, chin dropped considerably, and the tongue does not touch the teeth or lips. So, vowels are the letters in English alphabets, and while speaking these letters, the sound is made by the mouth fairly open with full flow of air, chin is dropped considerably, and the tongue does not touch the teeth or lips. Coming to the second topic, vowels in English language. There are 5 vowels in English language. These are A, E, I, O, U. We'll try to know the origin of the word vowel. This word is derived from the Latin word vocalis, which means vocal, because sound is made forcefully with free flow of air while speaking these letters due to the vibration of vocal cords. Thus, in this video, I have covered the topics: what are vowels, vowels in English language, and the origin of the word vowel. Hope this explanation about vowels in English language is clear to you. That's all in this video. Thank you.